Hello, welcome to my video classes. This is KP Dharigowda. Today I am going to teach you board mass of fractions. Board mass of fractions all together. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division all together. If it is so, then how we have to do? See, board mass itself is telling same. In detail you can learn it in board mass theory, whereas you are learning now. This B means what? Brackets. Brackets here in the sense these are common brackets, and this is line bracket, and this is flower bracket, this is what? Square bracket. But here no brackets I am finding, and here half is there, division is there, multiplication is there, addition is there, subtraction is there. Then accordingly we have to go half is there, na half we have to do. Half means what? Half is nothing but doing before division and doing multiplication before division and multiplication. Got? Same. Then we have to divide this. Multiply it. Okay. 3 by 4 plus 8 ones are 8, 5 twos are 10. Before division I am doing this, yes. Now I am multiplying this because I am again doing it reciprocal of 16 by 20. Right? When you multiplied, make it reverse. Then minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. See how many are there here? 1 multiplication, 2 multiplication, together we can do. 3 by 4 nothing. See these two I am doing now. 8 ones are 8 twos are, 5 twos are 5 fives are, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 twos are 4 minus 2 ones are 2 ones are 1 by 3 remained. Then now addition and subtraction together we can do. LCM is 12, 4 3s are 4 3s are 3 4s are 3 3s are 9 plus 5 3s are 15 minus 4 1s are 4. 9 minus 4 is 5, then it became 20 by 12. Again it is reducible, so reduce it. 20 and 12 are in same table, so 2 6s are, no, in 4's table also it is 4 3s are, 4 5s are, 5 by 3. If it is not your answer, then again you have to, I need to check 3 1s are 3, 2 by 3, 3 of 2 by 3 will be answer. If you are not finding, you can make it a mixed fraction. Like this board mass theory also, in detail I am taking it after decimal. Okay. Now, if sums are given like this, and what is the usage of this? Simply, what is the usage of this, learning this application of fractions? See, sums will be given like this. Sudha and Suma. Suma walked 1 by 2 kilometer. Whereas Sudha walked 1 by 2 kilometer. Here in our Navodaya challenge book, same I am giving you. English medium Navodaya challenge book is there. You can study. Here Gita and what? Sudha is given. Gita and Sudha is given. We have to take this. Gita walked 1 by 2 kilometer, whereas Sudha walked 7 by 10 kilometer. Who walked more and how much? Your answer: who walked more and how much? Question is asked. Then answers are given here. A, B, C, D answers are given. Sudha walked 1/5 kilometer more. Geeta walked 1 and 1/5 kilometer more. Geeta walked, sorry, Gitta, forget. Here also Gitta walked 1/5 kilometer more. And here it is Sudha walked 1/5 kilometer more. Your answer will not be given like this, whereas for easiness I am doing, because it is as it is, up what it is, as it is. See how we have to finish this. Geeta walked half kilometer, and Sudha walked 7/10 kilometer. And who walked more and how much? It is asked. See, which among these is big? Check. Which one among the? Without making LCM, we can't take decision. So, 10 is LCM, 2 5s are 5 1s are 10 1s are 5 1s are 5, 7 1s are 7. And 7/10 is more, isn't it? 7/5 is 7/10 is more. So who walked more? Sudha walked more. Then Geeta walked more or less? And the answer is now 2 remained now. 2 answers remained. Then how we have to check this? And you have to subtract from big. 7/10 minus 1/2 is equal to 10 is LCM. 10 1s are 2 5s are 7 1s are 5. Then 2/10 kilometer. Who walked more? Sudha walked 2/10 kilometer more than Sudha. Hey, Geeta. Then where it is 2/10? No. Then answer is not there. No. Because you have to reduce it. 2 1s are 2 5s are. This is 1/5 kilometer. Then 1 and 1/5 is wrong. This is wrong. So what remained answer is A. A you have to round and fill black ink in your OMR sheet. Okay. See, one more application I am giving. Ohm hash RS 100 and half, 100 of 1/2, and 3 of 3/4. He purchased 2 bangles for his sis. Short form of sister is sis. 2 bangles for his sister for RS. 20 whole 1/4. Then find how much money he has now. he has now. Om has 100 of 1 by 2 and 3 of 1 by 4. Rupees is given. He purchased 2 bangles for his sis for Rs 20 of 1 by 4. Find how much money he has now. This how you have to find this statement. His total money should be added and this should be subtracted. This is income, this is expenditure. Then one easy method I given you na, same that you have to apply. One easy method in my previous video I given it. 100 minus 100 plus 3, 103 minus 20 is 83. 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 plus 3 is 83. Then you have to go. See, 3 by 4 will be reduced here. From 3 by 4, 1 by 4 if reduced, 2 by 4, that is half will remain. Then half plus half will become 1 plus 1. That is 84 rupees he has now. In his hand, how much rupees he has? 84 rupees he has. Okay.